Um, I'm reaching out to all coffee shops in Metro Manila. We have a ongoing project in Amadeo, Cavite. So for those who don't know, Amadeo, Cavite was once known as the coffee capital of the Philippines. But slowly, they are now losing coffee farms, coffee trees as well, because most of the farmers now are losing money and their next generation are not interested. So we, Passport Turtles, intend to help them out by rejuvenating their aging trees, particularly Liberica coffee. And then we will be also planting high-yield Liberica seedlings in their farms. So we already have a list of these farmers as well as the location of their farms. So we will be updating you on that. Now, it will be better if you guys could also visit the site or the farmers so you can see firsthand. The benefit of this is obviously you will be getting the Liberica beans, and that will be helpful for your shop because not only have a good story to tell, but also you have the beans to share to your customers. Not only Arabica and Robusta, but you also have the Kapeng Barako single origin. Okay, and don't worry about the taste, because we will be coordinating also and collaborating with local roasters in Manila and maybe some also in Upland, Cavite, to produce the best quality of beans, roasted beans. Okay, so there's a lot more benefits and features that we can give you, but we can discuss this when the time I call you, and you can message me here also on my platform. Okay, so this is an invite for you guys because we have a good and solid campaign called #Kapeng Barako Challenge. Plus, we also have a campaign called Reviving or Revive Amadeo. So the goal is to build a coffee capital hub in the vicinity of Amadeo. So this won't come cheap, obviously, but with the help of organizations, companies, and others, we can produce a small hub and grow from there. Okay, so reach out to me and we'll talk more details about Amadeo and Kapeng Barako.